What go me G?
Yo, John, no man, hungry.
Why we no go check McDonald's?
Me no want a hamburger.
Then make we go check Rodney. When them hungry, watch everybody.
Welcome, what a go on my viewers and subscribers. Welcome back to Rodney's Lifestyle Real Talk TV. How you do? Alright, I hope each and every one of you is in good health and good strength. And as always, I hope you not feel no pain. If you not feel no pain, remember that it's good. If you not feel any pain, check the doctor, call the doctor, or make the doctor come check you. If you have the money, if you don't, make somebody bring you to the doctor. And guys, still I say it, remember if you do some wellness check upon your families and friends, make sure them alright because of mental health crisis. And guys, me still I beg some money, me still I ask the donation, and me still I look out for some form of help. And guys, let me say this month money that is coming in for YouTube this month, I'm going to send all of it to Jamaica because this month money is coming in December. So you don't know Christmas are come. So guys, hear me I say, watch the ads until you finish. Watch the videos until you finish. Please do not pass, no skip none of the ads. Watch the ads them. And guys, if you want to send me super chat, any money you want to send to me in this video or any other video throughout this month, you can do that. And guys, thank you very much to all the people who are sending the super chat so far. Thank you very much to the people that join the member. Be a member, you don't know. I will let me have a fear say, so you don't know it go. So what me I say is thank you all very much who are trying to donate, who are trying to help for put towards the Jamaican people. Now my viewers and subscribers, first I want to talk about this artist here where I know my artist. Remember me tell you say Spice is not my artist. What's your name? Grace is not my artist. But put fun and joke aside. Grace, you are going with your thing. Me like to see where Grace Hamilton, aka Spice, I do for the people them. Me see Spice move out with a lot of food, blocks, cement, steel, board. At least one or two person can able to start back them house. Anyway you check it, that is a very good look for Spice and for the Jamaican people. As always, Colasmmith, big up your chest, stomach, back, head, everywhere, youth. Because Colaz is just a man where it is hard to understand Colasmmith. Yes, it is very hard to understand Colasmmith. Colasmmith was just sent by God. Colasmmith is just a God sent. Yeah, man. Colasmmith is just a man that was sent from the good Lord, from the Almighty, as a person to give, a person to, in other words, give and not stop giving. So Colasmmith, big up yourself. Get some rest though. Get some rest. Get little rest. Get some rest. Because remember, use different drivers because you're tired. So you need to get some rest. I know say you want to do the best you can for the people them, but remember, without the rest you can't do it. So me I beg you, me I ask you, get little rest because you go need it. And guys, also remember that the crisis that is in Jamaica right now is not a crisis of it happened today and it go done today or it go done tomorrow. Remember next month, Christmas, them go need some help too in a Christmas. Yes, them go need all the help them can. Also, these people, some people in some areas have to be sleeping outside Some people in some areas have to put some zincs and get a place to sleep. I think one person I listened to, she says there was 19 people that live where everybody is, and the 19 of them stays in one place every night from the hurricane blow. Now, my viewers and subscribers, there's something that I want to talk about. And I have a YouTuber that I listen to. And that YouTuber is HTK. And when I listened to HTK today, HTK was very upset. Yes, HTK was very upset. And she was very upset because of the comments that people is leaving under her comment and leaving and saying about not donating, not giving, not doing all these kind of things. Now, my viewers and subscribers, this is not the time. This is not the place for all these kind of bad comments, these bad things when it comes on to donating. Because if a person is not donating, you don't know if that person is praying for Jamaica. If that person is not praying, that person is donating but not saying a word. You have no idea how and why and when that person is doing what. So for you to be going underneath a person comment section, bashing that person, talking about that person not doing this, that person not doing that, it is not fair. It is not good for you all to be doing that too. Any content creators out there, once they're talking or doing anything about helping the people of Jamaica, there is people out there who is not trying to help nobody but themselves. And some of you is going under some of those people comment and doing everything for joy. But yet still the people who is really helping, you all have things to say. I know and I understand that it's your device and you can write anything that you want to write. But listen, I saw a young gentleman and he says that he don't have the money. He don't have, his car is broken right now. And he says he don't have the money and his car is broken, but if anybody is going down to St. Elizabeth or Westmoreland and can pick him up to take him down there, he is ready because he has strength and is willing and ready to work. Now that's what we all need to hear. That's what we all need to hear. We need to hear that a truckload, a busload of men, women heading down to Westmoreland, to St. Elizabeth, to all those places to help. That's what we need to hear. We don't need to hear who is not doing this from, who is not doing this from, who is doing this. We don't need to hear that right now, because at the end of the day, if you're not putting any money, or if you're not putting anything, or if you're not praying for these people in Jamaica, then what are you doing? What are you doing? Just talking? And you're not even talking anything to make sense. All you're talking is just crap, because that's just how you were born. I listened to what HTK was saying, and what HTK was saying is 1,000,000, not 100, 1,000,000% correct. Because what HTK is saying, that the video that she put up, that one of her graduates sent to her, was the helicopter come, drop the food and leave. In a crisis like this, you cannot, you should not, you're not supposed to do that. And the reason why you're not supposed to do that, if you drop food somewhere all the healthy body, the good body, the people that can move fast is going to get access of that food without the people who cannot move freely. Tell me if I'm wrong, all right. Tell me if I'm wrong, all right. The people who is going to able to move fast, going to move fast, and they're not going to take any food and give to that person because that person cannot make it. So when that helicopter lands, and one other thing that HTK was saying, once the helicopter can land, the helicopter should not land, drop the food off and leave without supervision. That's not right. That's what you call that? That's out of order. That's disrespect. That's way over what should have been done. Nobody need to be living that way like you're feeding animals. So you go have a household of 5 that can move very fast. They go pack their house up with food. And the person who cannot move as fast as they can ain't go get no food. That's what HTK is saying. She isn't saying nothing that's wrong. She's talking the truth, and that's nothing but the truth. There's no way you should leave food on the ground without any supervision. The big helicopter, the American helicopter who dropped the food, they did not leave until the food, everybody in line get their box and gone up the hill. That's what happened. Why cannot they do that? And it's the small helicopter, so it is the Jamaican helicopters. So why the Jamaican helicopters, who they are Jamaicans, can do that, but the American helicopters stay there and wait until, because you know why? That's what they used to. That's what they used to. They know that once you drop the food, once the helicopter can land, that simply mean somebody have to be there to supervise it. Now, if it was a remote area where the food have to either drop out of the helicopter while it's still in the air, that means it cannot land, that's different. That's different. That means the helicopter cannot land, so they're going to find ways and means of getting the food to the people. That's important, getting the food to the people. But if you're going to drop food, then you're going to leave, because remember, you have to drop, land the helicopter, take the food out the helicopter, put outside, then go back in there, fly off. So that's disrespectful. That's not good for the Jamaican people. But then yet still you have people who is out there going in HTK comment section saying all different kind of things, and this is what is not good for nobody. And my viewers and subscribers, you shouldn't be doing this under nobody comment section. You shouldn't be trying to curse nobody, telling nobody that, oh, they don't have the money, they're not doing this, they're not doing that. Why are you all doing that? It is crisis. Some of these people, see, right now, I am standing here. Night is falling. Night is already falling in Jamaica right now as we speak. How many of these people? How many of these people is sleeping on anything? How much of these people is down there looking up in the sky and wondering how they're going to sleep, where they go sleep? How much of these people down there get something to eat? Private Citizen, Colaz Smith, Spice, artists, Beenie Man, all those artists, Ramesh, the whole of them, I do the best them can. And yet still you have people out there who is commenting, saying all kind of rude, dirty things, telling people, oh, you're not helping, oh, you're not doing this. What are you doing? Huh? What are you doing? What is your job? What you're doing? Are you praying for Jamaica? Do you have a dollar could put? I put in money, I send in money, and I'm praying. I'm doing everything I can to help. I have a GoFundMe. I have all different kind of ways that people can put money. If the people don't want to put the money, I'm asking all the viewers and subscribers to watch the videos until the end. So that means we can able to make some money, because Christmas has come and these people need to have something over their head, or at least to have some curry goat and some rice and peas or white rice. These people need to have something to eat when Christmas comes, Christmas morning. And we're going to see that these people have something to eat, have something, somewhere to live by at least 2027. Because to tell you the truth, it not going to take today, tomorrow, or next week. Guys, when you see it get dark, you might get dark, so you don't know. Remember, guys, watch the videos, like the videos, comment on the videos, and most of all, watch the ads. Guys, that's where everything, that's where you go help the channel, that's where you go help the people in Jamaica. Because remember, the money what I make from this video, not only this video, from this month will be heading to Jamaica in December to help some people. As a matter of fact, I'm not saying it yet, I don't know yet, I'm not go talk, but I may be heading to Jamaica sometime, not sure which day yet. However, guys, remember to like, share, comment on the video, and do the best you can to help the people of Jamaica. I got some t-shirts. All the money from the proceeds from the t-shirts will be going to Jamaica. All the money that you put into the, I'm not familiar with that name as yet so good, the super chats. Yeah, man, the super chats, because I don't do live, so I don't familiar with it, but soon I'll be doing live. So the super chats and all those kind of things, anything you send me, I'm going to put it together and send it out to Jamaica. With that said, guys, also, if you're in Jamaica and you follow me, send me a message so I can know who I'm dealing with, the help you want, and I go try to reach out to the best I can. Peace and love. Have a wonderful evening, night, or morning. I'm out.